Hi, I'm Nakshatra. Welcome in episode number 4. Today we're going to address this video to the heterosexuals, to the straight community. आज हम ये वीडियो उनके लिए बना रहे हैं जो इस LGBTQ कम्युनिटी का हिस्सा नहीं है, पर उनके बारे में उनको काफ़ी मिसकंसेप्शंस है और जानना चाहते हैं और कुछ बेसिक आइडिया आज हम क्लियर करेंगे. But also this video is important for a lot many people in LGBTQ community because हम में से काफ़ी लोग एक दूसरे के बारे में नहीं जानते हैं. There's a lot of misconception and a lack of education and the lack of having this basic idea cleared. I'll try to do that. I want to give a big shout out to my brother-in-law Rajat, who suggested this topic, who said that I am the first gay person who he met in life and started knowing about all this community. But he feels that a lot of people who don't know gay people in reality and they have all the wrong ideas. So it's time for me to do that. So I am thankful to him for suggesting this topic. I have few questions which I am gonna check from the cell. These questions, ये questions जो है काफ़ी स्टेट लोगों को आते हैं मन में उनके गे लोगों के बारे में कि कैसे होता है, क्या होता है, how it is possible, what are the differences, what are the basic. So let me just first say this. LGBTQ community. पहले LGBT होता था but अभी LGBTQ लगाते हैं. What is LGBT? L is for lesbian, a girl who likes girls. Gay for G, that is a guy who likes guy. Bisexuals for B. Bisexual means a guy who likes girls as well as a guy, or a girl who likes girls as well as guys. So there is no ratio by the way in bisexuality कि 50% guys, 50% girl, or 10% guys, 90% girls, or vice versa. No, there is no particular ratio as such. It's different every time. And T for transgenders. There are different categories in transgenders that I will talk about. And Q is queer, that is umbrella term. So बाकी जो हिस्से हैं LGBT community के जो काफ़ी सब categories है, so उनको एक umbrella term के हिसाब से हम सारे list तो नहीं कर सकते like LGBT, HIQ, what and all those alphabets. So we put Q. So lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender and Q, ये 5 alphabets हम use करते हैं LGBTQ के लिए. Alright, so I told you what lesbian, gay, bisexual is. Now let's talk about transgender. The basic wrong notion that a lot of Indian guys have, Indian people have is gay होना मतलब हिजड़ा होना और transgender होना मतलब हिजड़ा होना. ये basic चीज़ें हैं. Let me first tell you, being gay is not being a transgender, or being gay doesn't mean that you are becoming a hijra. There is a huge difference between all three categories. Gay होना अलग है, transgender होना अलग है, हिजड़ा होना अलग है. When I say I am gay, I am man and I'm happy with my identity. I am gay is just that I feel attracted towards a man, and that's what it is. I am personally not interested to go and change my sex because I'm happy with my gender identity. I'll talk about gender identity as well. Okay. Now what is a transgender? Transgender is somebody who is, when it comes to gender identity is something that you feel that is your identity that is assigned to you at the birth. Sometimes like if you're a straight boy and if you are your gender identity is a man, so you feel that you are happy with your identity, you like being a man, और आप एक आदमी हो और आपको शायद एक औरत की तरफ अट्रैक्शन होता है. Same as me when my gender identity is a man though I'm gay, but my sexual orientation, तो orientation क्या है कि मेरा physical, romantic या emotional attraction किसके तरफ है. हर किसी का एक sexual orientation होता है. Everybody have one sexual orientation. You straight people have it for opposite gender. We gay community people, gay men have sexual orientation for same sex, for men. Lesbians have it for women. So that is our orientation. Orientation is attraction towards the other people, and gender identity is what within, you know. So orientation ही अपनी attraction है दूसरों के लिए, और gender identity ही अपनी identity है जिससे हम relate करते हैं, जिसको हम अपना मानते हैं. So I am happy being a man, you are happy being a man and a woman if you are heterosexual, but a transgender person feels the gender which they are assigned to at the birth, they are not ready to, or they don't feel comfortable with that gender. So they feel there is a need to change that, so they go for surgery. Like if I feel tomorrow that I feel like a transgender, so tomorrow I want to be a transgender, so I might go for the surgery and then I'll change my gender. So if it is because I don't relate with my gender identity, so this is how it works. Let me clear this. I'm happy being a man. I'm gay, and I'm not going for the surgery, just to avoid some stupid speculations. Moving on. I want to make a statement. So now we cleared what gay is. Now let's talk about transgenders and hijra community. Every hijra could be a transgender, but every transgender is not a hijra. What happens is, and there is a one stupid notion that everybody has, this that hijras or transgender paidaishi hote, like they are born like that way. I mean, without physical or sexual organs or all those things that people believe. No, that's not the right thing. Though they born, their feelings are through the birth, or it can generate after that, but physically they don't born as a hijra or they don't born as a transgender. There is something like intersex hote hain, but they are just like 1 in 1,000 or 1 in 10,000 cases in India. And so what happens when you say that you're hijra? Hijra एक culture है, you know, it's a very deep culture जहाँ पे heritage है, जहाँ पे you follow a code of conduct. hijra community के काफी code of conduct है, you have to follow that. So if a transgender person decides to follow that, he has to take a reet. Reet is something that you take Guru Dakshina type. No, not Guru Dakshina is the right word, but you take that. You promises to devote your life. Then you have a Guru Chela system in that. And transgender is somebody who says, no, I don't want to follow this system. I want to live my life like other people, other individualistic people that I feel comfortable with. So that person is transgender. So every hijra is a transgender, but every transgender is not a hijra. There is a difference between them. There is a culture, or there is a different approach which is individualistic. So this is the difference between all. So I have these questions which I'm going to quickly talk about. What people believe. There is a question that a lot of people ask कि आप गे इसलिए बनते हो, क्या आप कन्वर्ट होते हो या आप चूज करते हो, that you choose being gay? No, I don't choose. Nobody wants to choose a life which is miserable, right? जिस स्ट्रगल से हम जाते हैं वो स्ट्रगल कोई चूज नहीं कर सकता यार. मतलब हमको पता है हम क्या डिफिकल्टी फेस करते हैं. So it is by birth. It's just that some people might realize it early in life, some people might realize pretty late in life. It's different, it's very subjective, but it's completely natural. And let me tell you, there is not a single species in the world, animal या bird या insect या जो भी living creatures है, उनमें एक भी species ऐसी अब तक नहीं मिली है जिसमें homosexuality नहीं मिली. हर एक species में homosexuality दिखती है और वो recorded है. And there is a popular saying, homosexuality is everywhere in the species, in the nature, but homophobia मतलब homosexuals के लिए जो डर और नफरत होती है इसको हम homophobia बोलते हैं. वो सिर्फ ह्यूमंस में होती है, वो सिर्फ इंसानों में होती है. That's one thing. People ask कि just because एक sad childhood, for example child abuse के वजह से तुम गे बनते हो? नहीं. Child abuse और homosexuality का दूर दूर तक रिश्ता नहीं है. मतलब अगर मेरा बचपन में मेरे साथ abuse हुआ या somebody raped me, that doesn't make me gay. That just makes me a victim and I deserve justice. That's it. But that doesn't, just because some guys raped me in childhood, that doesn't make me gay. No, what makes me gay is science. It's in nature. It's not something that I had tablets or my parents did something wrong while having sex, so I became gay. It's right there. It's everywhere. Let's move on to other subjects. Was homosexuality is a modern phenomenon? ये नया है Western countries या पहले से था? ये पहले से था. If you go to India and some temples which are far old and ancient, like Khajuraho temple, you will find वहाँ पे जो drawings बनाए गए हैं stone. There are a lot of instances of homosexuality all the way from Shikhandi to the kings in the recent times. So homosexuality is everywhere, and that is something I don't think is a new phenomenon, and not at all it is. Talking in terms of India में लोग सोचते हैं कि अभी गे 377 नहीं है तो being gay is legal, illegal, क्या status है शादी का, can we get gay people get married? Let me clarify the legal side of it. Being gay before 377, even before 377, being gay was legal. So if I stand on the street and I scream I'm gay, nobody can arrest me because that was legal. What was illegal is the physical contact, that is sex. So now that is also legal. So people ask me, so if your identity is legal, sex is also legal? Not yet. Wedding is not legal. I'm sorry, sex is legal. Wedding is not legal. But you are free to do it. If you don't want the documents to flaunt, if you don't want your marriage to be registered, you can get married and nobody can stop that marriage. मतलब जैसे heterosexuals को marriage certificate मिलता है, you people get marriage certificate, we won't get it. But we can get married to a partner and a nice wedding publicly, nobody can stop it. That is whole one thing. Let's move on to some other problems which I have it. I already talked about what is homophobia, what is transphobia. is transgenders के खिलाफ transgender के तौर पे जो डर रहता है, जिनको नफरत होती है. हम जब हिजड़ा कम्युनिटी आके ताली बजाता है, they clap, we give them money. Sometimes we are afraid of them, or sometimes we want blessing. We are so selfish that we give them money only then. But otherwise we are afraid of them. Otherwise we don't treat them with respect that they deserve. And that is what the transphobia is. You need to get out of it. एक इंसान के तौर पे देखो हमें. हमारी ज़िंदगी में और प्रॉब्लम है. आप हमें देखते हो, you look at us in the street when we are enjoying, laughing. Sometimes they are clapping. You laugh at us. But do you know the struggle behind our smiles? You don't know how many tears we have cried in the closed bedroom. एक पिलो में सर रख के एक ब्लैंकेट में हमने कितने आंसू बहाए, कितने जोर से चीख के हम रोए हैं, हमें पता है. एक मोमेंट, एक इंसिडेंट हमारे लिए एक जजमेंट होता है. इट्स वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. आई एम फॉर्चुनेट इनफ टू हैव सपोर्टिव फैमिली. हर किसी को सपोर्टिव फैमिली नहीं मिलती. पीपल आर लिविंग ड्यूअल लाइफ. पीपल आर अफ्रेड टू ओपन अप बिकॉज दे आर अफ्रेड कि पीपल लाइक यू विल जज देम. दे आर अफ्रेड दैट यू विल स्टॉप, you close your friendship with them. You're afraid that you will tell the whole world that they are different. See, we are different just because we like other people. But we gay community or LGBTQ community don't want special treatment. All we want is the respect that you give to other people. हम एक इंसान के तौर पे देखो. Look at us that way, and that's all thing we want. वही बहुत चीज़ हमारे लिए हो जाएगी. Lot of straight people ask कि हम तुम्हारे लिए क्या कर सकते हैं. कुछ मत करो. जिस तरीके से हमें स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट भी नहीं चाहिए. जिस तरीके से आप दूसरे इंसानों को ट्रीट करते हैं, वैसे हमें ट्रीट करो. रिसेंटली द रामायण एंड महाभारत केम बैक टू द टीवी एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर लाइक, आजकल राम के ऊपर काफ़ी ये है. पीपल से कि दे फॉलो राम, बट आई वांट टू टेल अ क्विक स्टोरी. एंड इफ यू रियली फॉलो राम देन यू मस्ट बी नोइंग इट. व्हेन राम वेंट टू एक्साइल, जब राम जी को वनवास हुआ, राम लक्ष्मण सीता जब जाने लगे, तो उनके पीछे पूरा गाँव भी गया दुखी होके, और एक नदी के पास आके वो सब रोके. तो राम भगवान ने पीछे मुड़ के देखा और कहा कि इफ़ यू लव मी, ऑल द मेन एंड वुमेन गो बैक टू योर वर्क, आई विल कम बैक समडे. एंड ऑल द मेन एंड वुमेन लेफ्ट एंड राम ऑल्सो वेंट. व्हेन ही केम बैक आफ्टर एक्साइल, जब वनवास से राम वापस आए, तो उन्होंने देखा कुछ लोग वहाँ पे वैसे ही भूखे प्यासे पड़े थे, कुछ लोग मरने को आए थे. दे वर सो वीक एंड व्हेन दे सॉ राम दे वर क्राइंग एंड राम गॉट एंग्री. He said, I told you to go back. How come you not respect my words and listen to me? And they started crying loudly by seeing the harsh reaction from Ram. So Sita came ahead and she asked those people, आपने क्यों follow नहीं किया? आप रो क्यों रहे हो? आप बताओ. And those people said, Lord or King, when you said all the men and women go back, they left, but you did not give us order. See, such a nonsense. They say we are not men or neither a woman. हम क्या करते? आपने हमारे लिए कोई कमांड नहीं किया. And Ram felt so ashamed and he felt so bad that those people 14 years they waited for him just because he did not command to them, just because he did not took them, he did not give attention to them. He said once he took all those people, he took all the Hijra community with him. He walked in his kingdom and he said, after this, you people will be respected in my whole kingdom. And that's what I want to say. If you actually follow Ram, you need to respect all those people to whom you love and misbehave on the traffic signal on the road. That's all I have for tonight. I hope you like it. We will see soon. Stay home, stay safe, and yeah, we'll come back with a new episode soon. Take care, guys. Lots of love.